Now we have a system for building out automation specifically based on actions that occur that we predefine, that we build specifically based on how we want to run our business. And they're all built based on these date features. And this is what we are calling the communication matrix. So as we're bringing in these leads now, we're able to nurture and engage with them. We're able to use automations that are specific to these date fields, and we are able to cultivate better relationships. Now we're generating resources. Those resources are driving leads to us. Those leads are then being nurtured, being cultivated. Sam is helping us all along the way build better relationships, send out content, stay in contact with. And now think about how much easier it is for you to run your business, for you to build out automations, and most importantly, for you to be able to take a step back from business and be able to live your own life.